Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G52 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap on the network and internet. Here you'll see the internet section, click once, and now just near the Wi-Fi click once on the switcher to activate Wi-Fi on your device. And after that you'll see here all the available networks which you can connect. For example, we can select the first one here by entering the password. You can see the password by click on the show checkbox that's show password, for example, to have no some mistakes. And after that just here enter the password, then just tap here to connect. And after that here we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. As you can see, that's so simple to do. We can switch this network to another one by the same way. If you want to turn it off, just click here once again on the switcher and that's it. Also have the second way how we can use the Wi-Fi. Just first open notification panel, and to activate Wi-Fi click once on the Wi-Fi icon, then just click here on the switcher to activate it. After that just select one from these networks, tap here, for example, to this one. Here enter the password, click to connect and tap to done, and that's it. Also, just if you want to turn it off, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, tap to done, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.